Hi everyone, welcome to Small Steps Tai Chi. I am Lana.
And I'm Sheila.
Today we are going to address a common problem that has solutions: lower back pain. In my experience, and experts support that lower back pain is usually due to contracted muscles in the lower back, contracted, shortened, strained muscles. And it happens very often because we feel feelings. Sometimes we don't know how to express them. We keep them inside, and these strong feelings find a place to be. They move into our lower back, other parts of the body. And the thing is that they cannot uncontract themselves, and they need some loving, tender work. They need some help. And Tai Chi is a great way to help relax and release the tension in our lower back, create a safe space in the body, and give a signal to our nervous system that we can relax and those muscles can relax. We also gently stretch those muscles. So please join us in these simple exercises. We will start with some breathing. So Sheila will be sitting. You can please sit down if you would like. Make sure that your space is clear so you're safe, or you can stand. So just get into good body alignment. Our head is high and is centered over our heart. The heart is over the center of our pelvis. Let's bring the shoulders up, back and down. Relax them. If you are standing, just gently bend your knees just a little bit, soften them, and let your tailbone be relaxed down toward the floor. If you're sitting, the feet are just firm on the ground and the ankles are just below your knees. Let's bring our hand on our belly. The other hand just comfortably on your lower back with the palm away from you or on your lower back. And let's take a few breaths. We learn how to breathe with our diaphragm, that big muscle below our lungs. So when we inhale, the diaphragm has to move down to give more room to our lungs to breathe. The good news is that our diaphragm is connected to a couple of those big muscles inside of us that get contracted also when we're stressed. And breathing diaphragmatically with our belly pushing out, so that's a sign that you're breathing with your diaphragm. So the diaphragm will gently massage those muscles inside, like the psoas major, and help them relax and release their tension. So just very simply breathing in, belly expands. Breathing out, you can gently pull the belly toward your lower back and lift your pelvic floor. Inhaling, belly expands. The pelvic floor can stretch down. And pulling the belly back toward the lower back and lifting the pelvic floor when you exhale. So the inter-abdominal pressure changes as we breathe like this, and everything inside receives a nice gentle massage, including those big muscles in there. Very good. And now in our next exercise, we will do tapping massage. Tapping massage is very effective for relaxation. Let's bring our hands together, give them a nice rub, make them warm. It's a little damp where we are, on the chilly side maybe. And now let's bring our fingers to the top of our head and find the right kind of tapping. It can be more firm, or it can be just like butterfly wings touching your head. And now let's tap right here between our eyebrows, and again, just choose what feels good to you. I used to tell my students firm but gentle, but I think we have to find what feels right to us. And now the cheekbones right here, those cute cheekbones. And now below the nose, relaxing those muscles in our face. And now below the mouth on the chin. Very good. And now let's bring our hands right here. We have our thymus here, like the middle of our breastbone, and tap here. And if you like, if you can even massage like this with your fingers, if that feels good to you. How does that feel, Sheila?
Like the tapping.
Tapping? She likes tapping. So please do what feels right to you. Very good. And now let's take one arm out, and starting on the inner arm of the shoulder, gentle tapping. And see Sheila is tapping with her fist. And we turn the arm and we tap on the other side. You can use your fist or your open palm. So if you're standing, that make sure that you are still, switch to the other side whenever you're ready. So that your knees are slightly bent, they're soft. And just try to stay present in the here and now. Just feel this sensation of tapping on your arm. Very good. And now let's tap our ribs a couple of times. Good. And now gently rub your belly. Good. And now the back. Bring your hands on your lower back, mid-back, and just rub gently up and down like this. Up and down. Stay with it. Stay with the sensation. Good. And now, if you like, form fists, gentle fists with the thumb inside. And then tap your glutes. And let's tap on one leg. Just turn it sideways or any way that's good for you. And on the inside. And the back. Very good. And let's do it on the other one. Again, gentle fist or open palm. On the inside. Just giving the body gentle, loving care. We're here, we're taking care of you. Very good. Our next exercise is weight pouring. If you're sitting, you're just going to follow Sheila, just moving your body from side to side slowly, and just feel how your weight is rolling across your sits bones. If you're standing, the same thing. We're just pouring our weight, moving our weight from side to side. Feel how the weight is pouring through your feet, from the outside edge, through the inner, into the outside, and then back. And then start bringing your attention higher through your legs, just noticing the sensations into your hips. This exercise is also very good for balance, strengthening our balance, rib cage, shoulders, the arms are relaxed. Notice how the weight moves into one arm and then into the other. Just taking out time. We're worth it. We're worth taking time for ourselves, choosing ourselves, giving ourselves self-care. Notice your head and how the weight is moving from one side to the other. You can definitely notice that. And now one more time, just bring your attention to your pelvis and notice how things are in there and the sensations inside your pelvis. Very good. Our next exercise is push with shoulder. So we'll take our arms out like this. And we're going to transfer weight, and we're going to bring the right arm in a circle like this. Palm goes first, and then make a circle. Keep this right arm here, bring the left arm up, making a circle in front of our body like this. Notice the gentle stretching going on in your lower back. Can you feel it?
Yes, that feels really good.
Very good. if you're standing, make sure that your knees are bent and that your tailbone is relaxed. It's very important. It's a good way to stand when you go through these difficult episodes of lower back pain. Very good. Just keep breathing, deep breaths. Not too deep, not forcing the breath, just breathing naturally but consciously, noticing that you are breathing. Very good. Okay. Let's take a little rest here. And now our next exercise is white crane spreads wings. So transfer your weight into your right leg first and bring your left foot in front of you.
Maybe scooch a little bit on the chair.
Yes, please. Good. And take a breath. And now let's bring the right arm up overhead. Stretch through this arm. Stretch through the fingers. Left arm is like this through our side. Let's take a couple of breaths here. Feel what's happening in your lower back. You might feel gentle stretching there. Good. And now let's do it on the other side. Let's stand on the left leg or just transfer or focus if you're sitting on your left and bring the right foot in front of you. Toes can be up or down, whatever is better for you.
Comfortable.
Okay. And let's bring the left arm overhead, slightly overhead. Start stretching gently up through the arm, through your lower back. There's a bit of twisting happening, a bit of stretching happening. And right arm is like this. We're breathing. Very good. We're moving on to the next exercise. Needles on the C-bottom. So if you're sitting, just bring your left foot in front of you. And again, toes up, maybe it's more comfortable. If you're standing, toes down. Let's bring the right arm in a circle up. Notice how your body is stretching into your arm. And now bring it down, like our energy is now moving into the ground. And you can bend more or you can bend less. Again, choose what's right for you. Let's start again. So stretching up and now slowly bending. And again, inhale. And as you exhale, bring that arm down. Left arm is relaxed. Very good. And now let's do it on the other side. So let's bring the right foot in front of us. And let's bring the left arm up, circle, even follow your fingers with your eyes. Good. So come into the point. So never work with pain, just gentle stretching, just feeling sensation in the lower back.
I can feel that.
Can you feel that?
Good.
Good. Very good. Very good. Okay, notice how you feel. And now we're moving into the second part of our video where we will continue learning the 24 form, which is a mirror reflection of the simplified 24. So we're going to stand for this, both of us. So in this part of the video, we will keep learning the 24 form. It's a mirror reflection of the simplified 24. We're going to turn our backs to us, so let's all face the same direction. We'll be moving to the right, so we're going to switch places. Sheila will stand here and I'm here. And we will start from the opening movement, which we covered in the previous video. So just stand comfortably with your feet fairly close together and drop into your legs. Relax your tailbone down. Let's bring the shoulders up, back, and down, opening our chest comfortably. And now slowly roll your weight into your left foot and step your right foot to the right to 3 o'clock. Here we have 3 o'clock. In front of us is 12, just like in the clock. And now the arms will gently move up and down. The fingers will turn up. Good. And now open your arms like you want to give someone a hug with the palms facing forward. Bring your right foot to base, folding your hands in this position. Left hand above, right hand below. Look over your right shoulder and step your right heel down. Bring your weight into your right foot and then the whole leg. Shift your weight back. Turn your body to the right and slowly, very slowly, bring the left foot to base. Step your left heel down. Bring your left hand in front of your eyes. Shift back. Feel it in your hips. Transferring weight. Hold the chi ball, right foot to base. Bring the right heel down. The whole foot. Pour your weight into your whole right leg. Right hand moves in front of our eyes. And now let's bring the left foot just half a step forward. Let your arms move to the right gently. Bring your right heel up above the ground and move your left arm overhead. Right hand is here by your hip. White crane spreads wings. The second part of white crane spreads wings is this movement. Like the crane is opening, flopping their wings. Very good. And we're here. So that was the 24 form moving to the right side. We'll do it one more time, but this time we will turn sideways and this way. So we will say that this is 12 o'clock now, and we will move to 3 o'clock this way. So stand tall, shoulders low, knees soft. The feet are fairly close to each other. Very good. We're facing 12 o'clock. Inhale and exhale. Slowly pour your weight into your left leg. Hold your left hand in front of your heart, right hand below your navel. Look over your right shoulder and step your right heel down, bringing the right hand in front of your eyes, left hand by your hip. Make sure that you're standing upright. Good. The head is high, like it is suspended from heaven by a single hair. Move your weight back, turn to your right. Navel aligning with your toes very slowly, so we need a lot of core strength here. Bring the left foot to base. Step the left heel down, slightly to the side. Left hand moves up in front of your eyes. We're pouring our weight into the front leg. Shift back, toes up, turn, and bring your right foot to base. Very slowly, slower, the better. Right heel steps to the side. Right hand is in front of our eyes. Now let's bring the left foot slightly forward and let your arms move very slowly. Relax your shoulders to your right. And now left arm will move up slightly over your head. Open your chest. And now left arm moves across slowly. Notice that gentle twisting that's happening through your torso. Very good. And bring the right foot to base. And we will stop here. Thank you so much for joining us today. We hope that you can practice these simple movements, especially the first part and the second part if you're interested in learning the long choreographed 24 form. These big changes don't happen overnight.
A little bit every day.
A little bit every day, just a few minutes every day. This is how Sheila was practicing a few minutes every day, and now she is on the instructor path. She's training to be an instructor. Thank you again. We hope to see you soon.